Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is Saber protocol on Solana. Okay, Saber is the big boy on the Solana protocol. It's the largest protocol in terms of total value locked. As we can see here on DefiLlama, first position, about $3.4 billion have been invested there. So it's a pretty large protocol. It's been doing reasonably well until recently when there's been a bit of a crash on the Solana network, but seems to be recovering a little bit. Now here they say no audits, but that's not true. I found an audit. They've been audited by this company that's called Brahma Systems, which interestingly enough is not in India, but it's in New York City. Now here's a quick look at their audits. So that's the first page of the audits. You can read all this good stuff by yourself, but this is the overall assessment. Okay, I looked at the details. Some of it is very technical. It makes more sense if you're a programmer, but I invite everybody to read the audits to get familiar with what audits look like. Okay, and what Brahma Systems found after being hired to evaluate and check for security concerns within the code, they found minimal instance, they say. Minimal instance where the team deviated materially from established best practices and procedures for secure software development. Okay, the team has since addressed these issues with a resolution or risk acceptance. So in some cases they found little bugs that could create some risk and the team fixed them, and in other cases they said, we think that risk is acceptable. But there were no medium or high risk issues found by a Brahma system. All right, that doesn't mean it's safe, but it means that the team seems to have pretty good code in place, okay, with no major flaws visible, okay. Perhaps some smart hacker is going to find something at some point. We don't know, but it looks good so far. Okay, and also it's trusted by a lot of people. There's $3.5 billion invested there at the moment. Okay, so it's not a safe bet, but it's a lower risk bet. Okay, now let's have a look at it. So that's their main page. If we go inside, we see that they're mostly known for their swaps, so it's a little bit like Uniswap. Okay, they earn fees by letting you swap tokens, so you can choose a big bunch of tokens. There are a lot of tokens, and you can swap them. You can create liquidity pools. You can deposit your coins in there. Again, big bunch of pools, and you can farm the pools over here and earn some juicy interest. And the interests are nice, nothing crazy, okay, no 1,000,000% pools in there. Most of them are stable coins or very well-known coins and wrapped coins. So you got some BTC and REN BTC, UST, USDC, and so on, and blah blah blah. So you got a good choice. It looks pretty decent. I haven't used it myself, but it looks like a good place. Now they have a lot of documentation. You can chat with them on Discord. They got a Twitter. You can check their code on GitHub, read their blog on Medium, and check their CoinGecko and Serum and so on. Okay. Now to use this, since it's Solana, it's not going to work with MetaMask. You need yourself the Phantom wallet. Okay, you have to put the password in the Phantom wallet many times, okay, it doesn't last very long. I think it's 30 minutes, and you have to put your password again. Again, it's good for security. But anyway, you need a Phantom wallet to use this. Okay, it's not going to work on MetaMask. All right, so that's it for the quick look at Saber. Looks like a good protocol. Looks very solid. I like that it's been audited. Okay, but again, use your mind, your brain. Okay, don't put all your portfolio on a single protocol just because it's got an audit. Something can go wrong. A hacker can get into the system. Something can break. Who knows? Okay, don't put all your eggs in the same basket. I keep saying that, and I will keep saying that because a lot of people seem to forget. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and don't forget to download my free book. It's free. And maybe you don't like free. If you don't like free, you go on Amazon, you pay $5.99, and Amazon will give me $1 later. Imagine that. So, okay, that's it. Bye.